Finding a solid espresso maker without overspending makes all the difference in your daily routine. Best espresso coffee machine under $200 brings together capable models that punch well above their price point. Whether you crave rich shots or velvety milk drinks, these options help you enjoy cafe-quality results at home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. CASABREWS CM5418 Compact Espresso Machine. The CASABREWS CM5418 brings home barista-style espresso without taking over your counter space or your wallet. Its 20-bar Italian pump, combined with a 1350-watt boiler, pulls strong, aromatic shots that develop a thick layer of golden crema every time. You get a built-in pressure gauge that lets you fine-tune your pull based on the beans you're using, so light roasts taste bright and dark ones stay bold. The steam wand heats up quickly and produces silky microfoam, perfect for pouring latte art or simply topping off a creamy cappuccino. At just over a foot wide, the stainless steel body looks sharp in any kitchen, while staying surprisingly durable for daily use. The 34-ounce removable water tank means fewer refills during busy mornings, and the two included filters handle single or double shots with ease. Beginners love how straightforward the controls feel, while more experienced users
appreciate the manual adjustments that let them experiment. Minor limitations include the need to purge the steam wand after frothing to avoid drips, and the plastic parts on the portafilter require gentle handling over time. Overall, this machine shines for small households, apartment dwellers, or anyone setting up a first home espresso station. It consistently delivers balanced extraction and rich flavor that rivals much pricier machines, making it an excellent everyday value that keeps you from running to the coffee shop. You'll find yourself creating everything from straight espresso to elaborate milk drinks with confidence, and the compact footprint means it fits neatly beside your toaster without crowding the space. Number 2. Lavazza Expert Coffee Classy Plus. The Lavazza Expert Coffee Classy Plus Plus stands out as a capsule-based option that brings convenience and variety to your countertop for under $200. With compatibility for both Lavazza Expert and Blue capsules, it quickly brews espresso, lungo, double shots, and even larger 8-ounce cups, while offering dedicated buttons for latte, cappuccino, and macchiato. The double shot function proves handy when you need extra strength without waiting, and the adjustable height spout easily accommodates taller glasses or travel mugs. Its sleek design feels modern yet practical, with intuitive controls that make switching drink types simple even before your first cup of the day. Build quality impresses for the price range, featuring solid construction that handles frequent use without wobbling or feeling cheap. The machine heats up fast and maintains consistent temperature across multiple drinks, so your morning routine stays smooth. Ideal users include busy professionals, families who want different
preferences satisfied quickly, or anyone transitioning from pod machines to something more versatile. Minor limitations appear in the reliance on proprietary capsules, which limits bean experimentation compared to manual grinders, and the water tank size suits lighter use rather than heavy all-day brewing. Still, the overall value remains strong because it delivers reliable results with almost zero learning curve. Cleanup takes just minutes thanks to the removable parts, and the machine stays relatively quiet during operation.
Number 3. Atatix Espresso Machine. The Atatix Espresso Machine combines precision temperature control with strong pressure to help you pull impressive shots right in your own kitchen. Its NTC system locks in the ideal 90 to 96 degrees Celsius range after a speedy 30-second preheat, ensuring each extraction highlights the unique notes in your beans, whether they're fruity light roasts or chocolatey dark ones. The 20-bar pump maintains stable 9-10 bar pressure throughout the shot for full saturation and that signature golden crema on top. You can switch between automatic modes, delivering single or double shots in set times, or use manual extraction for up to 102 seconds of customization. The powerful steam wand turns out dense, glossy microfoam that holds its structure beautifully for latte art and blends naturally with espresso. Built mainly from stainless steel and BPA-free ABS, the unit stays stable thanks to suction cup feet that prevent any sliding during operation. A stainless top doubles as a cup warmer, adding a thoughtful touch. This machine suits both beginners who want reliable automation and hobbyists who enjoy tweaking variables. Strengths include fast startup, excellent foam quality, and solid construction that feels premium. On the downside, the maximum manual extraction volume requires careful monitoring to avoid overfilling, and the tank size works best for households making a few drinks at a time. Number 4. AMZCHEF Espresso Machine. The AMZCHEF Espresso Machine delivers professional 20-bar pressure and a 1350-watt boiler that produce rich, smooth shots suitable for everything from straight espresso to milky lattes and cappuccinos. Its LED touchscreen with memory function lets you save favorite settings so you can recreate your perfect drink with one tap, which proves especially helpful during rushed mornings. The adjustable steam wand creates consistent soft foam, even if you're new to milk texturing, and the self-cleaning mode keeps maintenance minimal. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body, this compact unit fits comfortably on most countertops while offering a clean, modern look that blends with various kitchen styles. The generous 41-ounce removable water tank reduces refilling frequency, and the drip tray catches messes for quick wipe-downs. Beginners particularly enjoy the straightforward operation that removes guesswork while still allowing room to grow their skills. Daily home use feels effortless, and many find it makes a thoughtful gift for coffee lovers just
Starting out, minor limitations include the learning curve for perfecting wand technique on very thick drinks, and the need to descale regularly in hard water areas. Despite these small considerations, the machine offers outstanding value through reliable performance and convenience features that elevate everyday coffee routines. Number 5. DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Stilosa brings classic manual espresso making within reach for budget-conscious enthusiasts who enjoy the hands-on process. Its stainless steel boiler stands up to regular use and maintains good thermal stability for consistent shots over multiple pulls. The included portafilter, measuring scoop that doubles as a tamper, and single plus double filters give you everything needed to start brewing right away. You manually control the extraction, which lets you dial in the perfect timing and volume based on your beans and preferences. The steam wand textures milk effectively for lattes and cappuccinos, creating decent foam once you get the hang of positioning and purging. Build quality feels solid for the price, with a compact footprint that works well in smaller kitchens or on shared counters. This machine appeals most to people who want to learn traditional espresso techniques, enjoy tweaking variables, or simply prefer the ritual over automation. Strengths include reliable boiler performance, straightforward design, and the ability to use fresh ground coffee for maximum flavor flexibility. Limitations appear in the lack of pressure gauge or automatic timing, so beginners may need a few tries to master consistent results. And the milk wand requires practice to achieve cafe-level microfoam. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.